Hey, thanks for tuning in to the review channel, and today we're going to talk about incense sticks. So incense sticks are, if you've been to a craft fair, craft show, there's some sticks that are scented with different colors, and I'm going to show you a quick way, easy way to make them. What you need is a 2.5 gallon, this is a 2.5 gallon bucket. You can use a 5-gallon bucket. Home Depot has them. You can do anything you want as far as soaking them. You want to get some incense sticks that are unscented. They used to be called punks when we were kids. So if anybody kind of dates me a little bit, but they're unscented. They come in bundles like this you see here. And you can just, we could get them colored. I have a link below. We have colored, we have plain. We have different options available for you below. So you can take a look at that link. Take it to my website and I'll show you different options of scents of sticks and how they come, bundled and so forth. And what you're going to need some fragrance oil. High concentrated fragrance oil is particularly recommended, and this is DPG. So what you want to do is you want to do a 10-to-1 ratio. So 1 pound to 10 pounds of 1 pound of fragrance to 10 pounds of DPG. That really goes a long way, and these sticks really suck it up quite a bit. So, but you can put probably 20 or 30 bundles in a bucket of 1 scent, and you can just kind of go from there. So it's very simple. So what you want to do is just kind of measure how high the bucket is. So depending on the bucket you have, you want to fill it to the line of the bucket. This is a 2.5 gallon bucket. This one here specifically, but you can get 5 gallons, whatever you need. So you buy what you need for fragrances. You go online, take a look around, see what you like, and just experiment and try. It's really kind of cool. It's a fun project to do. So what you want to do is just fill up the bucket. I don't want to make a mess with this one because I want to just show you. So you fill the bucket up with the fragrances. You can also use natural fragrances. You can use essential oils, but the key thing is the carrier, the DPG. So that is basically your carrier oil. So what you can kind of really spread it out and really utilize that amount of oil that you want to use. So you want to kind of fill it up to cover the sticks. That's the main thing. Doesn't matter what size bucket you use. You just want to be able to cover the sticks. And that's the main thing. So you fill it up as much as you need. So you fill it up with the fragrances. Another important thing too, make sure the bucket has a lid, because when you're done, you want to save the oil. You don't throw it away. You just keep using it over and over, and just keep refilling it with fragrance and DPG, and just keep going over and over. So let's go to it. So what you want to do is you want to take your incense sticks, and you want to kind of put them in the bucket and let them soak for 24 hours. So that's the secret of pretty much incense stick making. It's not complicated. It's a great little side business. You can sell the incense sticks in hundreds. You can sell them singles. You can get different colors. You can add color. I have some color links below. You can see that as well. Different colors, different ways of doing it. So let's so that's important. The fragrance is important. The bucket's important. DPG. You'll have some bags. So it's very, very simple. So take the sticks, you just throw them in the bucket. This bucket holds quite a bit. You can see there's 2 in there. That's a small bucket, and the 5-gallon bucket is even bigger, so you can put more in. So let them soak 24 hours. Let them just soak for 24 hours. Let them sit there. Put them in the corner. Don't worry about it. Let it sit. So the secret to making good incense or cones, if you're doing cones, it's the same procedure. Take the plain unscented cone, throw them in the bucket, 24 hours. And when you're done, let them dry. You should just take out the excess oil, let it drip off. And then some people do 2 different methods. You can put them on a screen, and you get a fan. With the fan, just kind of really dries them much faster. So that's one way of doing it. I'll just put them on some newspaper and flip them over. Just keep flipping them over until they completely dry, air dry. And then you can put them in a bag. And I have some bags below as well, so you can see how that's done. So it's basically three kind of steps. You soak them, you dry them, you bag them, you sell them, and that's pretty much the secret of making incense or cones. We have also some burners below, so you can put a bundle together yourself if you're doing craft fairs or if you're doing any type of fair at all. You can sell the bundles, you can sell the burners. Don't forget, you can also sell matches, lighters, because people want to light them up, and that's pretty much it. Once you just let them set, let them soak, let them dry. So the secret is really let them dry. You let them dry for at least 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours, depending on the humidity where you live. And you get these plain poly bags. I have a link below for that as well. You can see the poly bags. Takes you right to my website, and you can just see all these products. Then you can get a label, and you can label them. And I have some labels as well with a link, and you can see. So you label them. The fragrance. You can put color labels. You can do white labels. You can do as expensive or as cheap as you want. And then you can just resell these bundles. You can do wholesale, you can do retail, all types of options. But the secret is make sure they come bundled like this in hundreds. That's the best way. I hope you appreciate this video. I love making it. It's really kind of cool. I've been in the fragrance business for 20 years. So we try to dabble in different things and just show people different ways of doing things. Please like the video. I'd appreciate that. It really helps me out. Any questions or comments below, you can leave a comment. I'd appreciate that as well. And also subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing some more videos on making room sprays and making colognes and perfumes and all types of things with fragrances, soaps, lotions, creams, you name it. I'm going to go through it. So subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and when I get a new video that comes up, you'll get notifications about how to do awesome craft projects and to make some money part-time on the side. So also below, also go back to my website. There's some fragrances there. You can take a look at that. You have all different options. We have 2-ounce samplers, different sizes available to choose to look at. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time, and have a great day, and thanks for watching. And don't forget, make some incense sticks. Have fun. It's great for the kids. It's a good hobby. Also make some money. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.